Hello and welcome back for another Elden Ring tutorial. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. And today I'm going to show you how to beat the Knights Calvary at the Gate Town Bridge location, which is in Liurnia. And here I am on the map, and right along this road here you'll find the Knights Calvary at nighttime. So you want to rest at that grace till nighttime. And then I'm going to show you here what my stats are, what equipment I have. I'm level 73 now. I have the Turtle Talisman, and then I have the Lance Talisman because I'm going to be on horseback for this. I really like fighting him from horseback. Now I'm just going to drive right along this road here until you see him there. And then I'm just going to put the target on him. And kind of the strategy here to beat him is just to kind of stick to his hindquarters and just whack him, and then kind of run around his back and circle him. And just try to stick the back to the back of him as much as possible. And if your health goes down a little bit, like mine, just run away and then drink a flask. And then come on back to his hind side. Now you can get off your horse and try to fight him and dodge. I have a terrible time dodging people's attacks, and for the most part. So I like to stay on the horse and just keep whacking at the back, and then eventually you can knock him off. And then just keep swinging on him when he's on the ground. And then again, I'm just going to keep circling him even when he's not on the horse. And if you don't kill him soon enough, or if you run away at this point, he's just going to call his horse and get back onto it. But it's okay. If you are fairly aggressive, you shouldn't have a hard time beating these guys or several of them to fight throughout the game. And then you get the Ash of War Ice Spear as your reward. There you go. I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe.